When you hear the sound of these birds, you will either laugh or run away in fear. If its sound is put in slow motion, it will sound like the sound of an ambulance or a police vehicle. White bell bird. Now listen to it. As soon as it makes its sound, you will feel as if an alarm or doorbell is ringing. When the laughing kookaburra makes its sound, it sounds as if a witch is laughing loudly in the forest. If you hear any such sound at night, do not be afraid, because this sound is not of any ghost, but of a loon. Kiwi. You might get scared hearing the sound of this small bird. Follow for more strange squawks, chirps, and mind-blowing bird facts.